In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block websites in Firefox on Windows 11 using a simple browser extension. This is a quick and effective way to restrict distracting websites, whether you want to improve productivity, limit access to certain pages, or just keep your browsing more focused. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Firefox on your Windows 11 computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner and click the menu button. This is the button with the 3 horizontal lines, and it gives you access to Firefox settings and tools. From the menu, click Extensions and Themes. This will open the Firefox Add-Ons page, where you can browse and install helpful browser extensions. In the search bar, type Website Blocker and press Enter. Firefox will now show you the extension results. Find the extension called Website Blocker, then click on it to open the extension page. On that page, click Add to Firefox. Firefox may ask you to confirm the installation, so click Add to approve it. After that, the Website Blocker extension will open and appear in your browser. Now you're ready to add the website you want to block. Inside the Website Blocker extension, click Add, then type or paste the full website URL you want to block. Make sure you enter the correct address so the extension can block it properly. After entering the URL, click Add again to save it. Once saved, the website will be added to your blocked list and Firefox will begin restricting access to that site. You can repeat the same process if you want to block more websites, one by one. This is a very simple method, and it works great if you need a fast way to control which sites can be accessed in Firefox on Windows 11. If you want, you can also go back into the extension later to review or manage your blocked websites. And that's it. You've now blocked a website in Firefox on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more step-by-step tech guides just like this.